wondered what it takes to become a master in web development? Is it just about learning the latest programming languages, or is there something more? In this video, we'll explore the essential elements of mastering web development to help you become a pro. Understand the basics. Before diving into complex coding, it's important to have a solid foundation of the basics. This includes HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These languages form the backbone of web development, and mastering them is crucial. Learn from experts. Learning from experts in the field is a great way to gain knowledge and insights. Attend conferences, online webinars, and workshops, and follow industry leaders on social media to keep up to date with the latest trends and techniques. Practice, practice, and practice. Yes, it is important to learn, but in the right way. Keep coding, experimenting, and building projects. This will help you gain confidence and master your skills. Build a portfolio. A portfolio is a great way to showcase your skills to potential employers or clients. It is a collection of your best work and demonstrates your ability to create quality projects. Finally, collaborate with others. It can help you learn new skills, gain new perspectives, and build valuable connections. Join online communities, attend meetups, and participate in hackathons to connect with other developers. Remember to keep learning, practicing, and collaborating with others to stay ahead of the curve. If you ever require professional assistance, Skillslash is your go-to friend for it. We provide Microsoft certified courses where you not only build a name for yourself, but you prove it through real work experience and strict training. Hope to see you on the other side. Good luck.